G'day, I'm Max from Farmbot, and today we're going to install this Trough Direct sensor on this trough here. So in the box, it comes with the trough sensor, rubber spacers for if you have a poly trough with a lip, and then the instruction manual. The only tools you need are 19mm socket and then a tape measure to measure the depth. So loosen the trough bracket to be the width of your trough, and then just slide it over the side there and put the sensor in the water and let it go all the way to the bottom. So now all you have to do is just tighten the 19mm socket on the back. Once you've tightened the bolt on the back, just grab your tape and measure how deep the trough is. Lastly, just switch it on and wait for the 2 beeps. Righto, once it's turned on, everything else you'll set up on the My Farmbot platform on your device. Righto, so the first step is you'll see in Trough Sensors a new device to set up. This will match the serial number as to what's on the box and the bottom of the device. Firstly, you'll name it. Secondly, enter your trough height in centimetres and press save. Enter your alert levels. Overflow we set just as the water level overflows the trough, and then your low alert to be just before the float if it ever gets stuck. Lastly, choose which team members you need to get alerts.